Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with a new lesson and we will continue with the previous class. So before moving forward, if you have not watched my previous session, so you must go and watch them, and if you want to be conversationally fluent in Spanish, then you must watch my lectures from the beginning. So where I explained each and everything, I broke up the language with the help of English and explained everything. So today in today's class we are going to discuss about we have and he or she has. So again, here the conjugation for this will be, for he and she we will write él or ella, él and ella, and the tener, that is going to change. Like the first form is tengo, second form is tienes, the S pronunciation for the second, and in the last form we are just going to write e there. So tiene, T-I-E-N-E. Like in the second form we have tienes, but here we are only going to write tiene. And for we are going to write tenemos, T-E-N-E, tene. We are going to keep this ten same, tenemos, M-O-S. So for we have, the sense should come tenemos, and for I have is yo tengo. For you have it is tienes, T-I-E-N-E-S, tienes. So now again here we have, so for the first form we have quiero, I want is quiero, you want, so the ending is going to be S for second person. Quieres, like tienes, quieres, you want, tienes, you have. So he or she want will be quiere, Q-U-I-E-R-E, quiere. So él quiere, ella quiere, and this one will be queremos, Q-U-E-R-E-M-O-S, queremos, M-O-S. For us, mos, queremos. From us, we, the ending should be mos. So before moving on to the practice session of tener and querer with the form he, she, it and we form, so I would like to discuss the rule of T5, that is tener 5. I call this rule tener 5. It is very widely used by the Spanish speaker, so it's very important to discuss with you all. So here we have the first the rule of T5, T1. So these are the rules what I made, and there are 5 expressions what they use having tener. So you are right. So if you have to say you are right, so in Spanish generally you say you have reason to be right. So you are right, so they say you have reason. So for you have, they will say tú tienes, T-I-E-N-E-S. For you conjugation will be tienes. Reason, for reason is razón. So tienes razón, you have reason, means that you are right. So this is the expression what they use. So he is afraid, the word for afraid is miedo. So he is afraid, or I am afraid. So for I am, I will use tengo. I have will be yo tengo. For afraid I will write miedo, M-I-E-D-O, miedo. So they don't say he is afraid, like él es miedo. No, they will not say like this. They will say I have fear. That means I am afraid. Tengo miedo. For he is afraid, so he has fear. So él tiene, T-I-E-N-E, the conjugation with él, tiene miedo. So we are hungry. So again here we have, so you will not say that I am hungry, you will say that I have hunger. So tengo, the word for hungry is hambre. So but we have the conjugation we have hunger. You have to here say we have hunger. So how will you say we have hunger? So have is tener, and the conjugation we is mos, we conjugation. So for we have, we will write tenemos, T-E-N-E, tenemos, hambre, H-A-M-B-R-A. So literally it means we have hunger. So we are thirsty. The word for thirsty is sed, S-E-D, sed. So the memory key for hunger is hambre. Like you want to eat a hamburger when you are hungry, so you can remember this word. And sed is thirsty is sed. So again we have thirst, you will say. So again tenemos, we have tenemos. For thirst we use sed, S-E-D, sed. Tenemos sed. So this was the T2 rule related to I have hunger. And the first one was afraid. If you have hunger, if you are afraid of something, or T1, so this is T2, and you are afraid of something, this is T3, and this is going to be T4. So when you say I am 30 years old, so you don't say in Spanish I am 30 years old, you say I have 30 years. So the word for years is año, and you will say I have, that is tengo, yo tengo. So we are not writing yo. Tengo 30 años. I have 30 years. Enia, O, S. S for the plural because this is 30. So now we have, this is the T4. Now the last one, T5. Now suppose you are feeling cold, or if you are feeling hot. So for feeling, you will say I am feeling cold. But the Spanish people, they say I have cold. That means around you, you have cold. And here I took a photo of White Walker. So you will say I have, yo tengo. For the word for cold is frío, like fridge, F-R-I-O, frío. From fridge, you can easily remember that it is cold. So here we have a pet, and it is a dog. So for we have, we will use tenemos. For a, we will write un. For pet, the word is animal, and it is a dog. S. For a, we will write un. For dog is perro, P-E-R-R-O, perro. She wants this dog. So we will write she wants. It is the third form, that is quiere. Ella quiere. Ella. If you want to write ella or not, that doesn't matter. Quiere, Q-U-I-E-R-E, quiere. This dog, este dog is perro. He has something what she wants, that is love. The word for love is amor. Amor is love. He has, él tiene, T-I-E-N-E, tiene. Something is algo. What is que? She want is again tiene. Conjugation is T-I-E-N-E, tiene. I have something good for her. For I have, will have tengo. For something, it will be algo. Good is bueno. For is para. Her is ella. We have something what she want. So for have, we will have tenemos. Something is algo. What is que? She wants is quiere. That is going to end in half ending quiere. Q-U-I-E-R-E, quiere. Do you have a cat? So again, it's for question. So you have a cat, and we are going to use a question mark after that. So you have, it is going to be tienes, T-I-E-N-E-S, tienes un gato. You have will be tienes. No, I don't have, because we want a dog. No, for I have is tengo. And we are going to use the negative form of that. No tengo, I don't have, because the word for because is porque. We have a dog. Tenemos un perro. So here is our last slide. We have a bicycle. He wants a bicycle. So he want we will write quiere, una. bicicleta, because the word is feminine. Bicicleta, bicicleta. But we don't have a motorcycle. For we have, negative of we have will be right. No tenemos. Tenemos un moto.